Alright, so as of now, since we know the interface of our AutoCAD, so let's start with the first drawing that we can do in AutoCAD. So let's do a start drawing. So you have the grids on. Make sure to check your workspace from here. Make sure it is drafting and annotation. Also, if you don't find it over here, you can come to this arrow and switch it on like workspace, right? If you don't find it there, you can come to this status bar, and from here you can switch your workspace to drafting annotation. So once your workspace is selected, the first thing that we will do is we'll set our units. So for that, just type in U and you'll see bunch of commands. Select units, press enter. So this is by default the unit system in AutoCAD. We have the type, architecture, decimal, engineering, fractional, scientific. Let's give it decimal for now. We have precision up to 8 decimal places. We have our insertion is scale, so basically all the different scales including inches, millimeters. Let's keep it in millimeters. You can keep it whatever, so if you are working in architecture you can keep it in inches itself. Since I'm using decimal, I'll keep it in millimeter. And for the units for specifying the intensity of light, we'll keep it to international. And in angle, we have the type as degree minimums, minute second, gradients, radians, radius units, different type of angle measurement. And for this, we'll keep it for now as decimal degrees. For the precision, let's keep it to 4, and let's make this point, and let's make this 2. So why I am choosing a single decimal in length and a double decimal precision in angle is because it's a basic thing that we engineers do, is we keep the angle precision higher to have an accurate result. That's it. So once your units are set, you can go for directions. So this is basically your east is 0 degree. So if you see the view cube, your east is on the right, so this is 0 degree, then 90, 180, and south is 270, right? You can customize it if you want. Let's keep it as it is for now and press OK. Now your units are set. Perfect. Once your units are set, you can see we have all the different tools in draw to draw our first sketch. So let's start with line. So either I can select from here and select my line. Now make sure our dynamic input is on from here so I can get a reference, and you can either draw a line like this or just type L and enter. So your line command is active now. Now if I keep specifying my line, it keeps on going until unless I press enter again, so it goes, right? This is our line command. Very easy, nothing fancy, right? Let's say I want to draw a line with since our millimeter is units is millimeter, let's say let's go for 500 millimeters. So I specify my let's keep it on for now. Dynamic input, very important. So I'll select my line, I'll specify my first point from here, then go up to 50, right? So my line, you can see, is of 50 right now. I can go up, above, or down and type in 25, right? Then I can come left or right. I can track it from here. So all you have to do is you come here, you track your point and go back. Go back like this, press, then press again and press enter. If you want to check the measurement of your sketch, you come to here, distance from this point to this point, distance, right? 50. Again from here to here, 25. Perfect. Our very first sketch is done, right?